Tela Irome Council at Dekeguru District igipeyom tutwale piani kurid makangwen peya gichulogin mucharo miono akibod gament kun wokibod gament metedero pegin lo councilor Irome LC3 wabayar botin loken nikijimo ken mapol mauti metini yup melo rangi mojin ania sande yakamo.
At least the one thing for now we can all agree on is the soap to use. He likes that it's big and lasts long.
Anti-economy.
I like that it keeps my skin smooth. Ate alina echovu. And the children like that. It smells amazing. Everyone is happy. Movit soap comes in 4 fantastic flavors. Movit family soap is truly soap for the whole family.
Movit. All day confidence.
Councilor Adek Mai Guru District gitika jemo ikom chente mamuchara mapeya kichulogien pi mwaka ngwen makibedo kwere I council mesap county mawapat matie Gulu District.
Ober muchara ka do ripo ka inya ya mot dwe piera ngwen we bichen.
Gankal mekop mapajwe lobo Uganda otiro yabo office madit machoy warga pidano medonyo onyokaro kilobo Uganda man immigration.
The board, we shall continue doing everything possible to ensure that the citizenship and immigration control.
Amori hajuli kaneno yub mandong kumbetika wake kore eni yub miloga ngemo chwenye tine chia beach nildwe apa medremi angwen imwaga alibario piario bichela nuebo tin ania sande akomum. Councilor LC3 Maiguru District gitika jemo ikomo chari mapeke chul pe mwagada ngwen kulo tere kun karama tela pa council moka ndung tika tumo Dremia Beach ginwani mono chul mano megamento chuli begini Guru District don't ti welme chilling million abiche achel ton abichel ikom la tela achel ginong legane mono gamento mero katikila gam chulu chen mafut pia karama tela gu oya gikine itum pa Dremia ngwen eni na chawachupa wan luo television Ismail Jacob Jones ober kalupoko lokman en Kelly Matut ko palotela Irome Council at Kegulu District mapaya kichulugin nepi mwagada ngwene.
Pe odwe achel we karati pa council makiyerge mwakalibre kipirwa achel hoya gikne Igulu District councilors makitie Irome maitedero I subconte pawya achel gitika ko matirne ne gamente mele pa Uganda pe ober kachulugi chente allowance mau mier ke chul ke councilam pol pa councilas pa gedongi tika mi vuane pegi big chwal wako biakli me mwakalim matika bino ni kachenen gamente pe o chulu chente milona chel tona bichel mangara chelo miru nong Patrick koma kej won koma dek me patiro sub konte ma en beneti won kompa wegi komi pegamente pete der sub konta pawya chel me Gulu District wajuni menum chul pe time pidwea piera ngwen bia bichel kolum
Ober muchara ka do ripo ka inya ya mot dwe piera ngwen we bichen kero lo million na cheki chinga le mia biche chinga le papa mala council chele chelo mi ndum chele le emle e man machara wan sapon ma papa dur dum tie lo council ko mbede gitika kwer dum bino ka choke ma ko mbede ku kero machara condition ne ka peke chulo ki chele ne passing budget subcounties ma wa ta tedo ge egini pa e beru yo bien beru sal ginu moma nem sel peke tika mero gi gamede petika mero gi ministry petika mero gi district petika mero gi
en waje ke wan lo TV ni pero mano chake I mwakalibre ki piera riu ya chen kamagamente ubere ka chulo councilors magim dwe mokene bene peke chulo game
so machalo wan support ma papa wa mero America don duro ni office pa ka office won koma beach office pa speaker me district o mero ko nene local eni o office pa ministry of finance ka che ministry of local government we pa nene karmo o cerca leng a mini passing budget no meko no chede pa council no biro e ni tika biro kitum boro wane ne adaka ine ne no mo karama electoral commission get yubo ye I paris man yende gno wen te loko no chimu ni la council chila no ki bi mine jebe marwata kere ma tala na council so do ko ponyi mi woni karama do biro karama chul chenda tika biro kire poene kama go arati ye
luorti ma tekta ni man bi bale woro yu pagamente mete derum moko aduki lim me mwakali matika binonim o jar lo tar ma te won koma da dek me vuatira sub county o wa ne tigil war ma te no ne timan o bo balo wa ko yup me mo ko wa ko biakli mo ka lim ma tiga birni
ere ma pia joni ku do duma bi ci gang mer ke nen la gam ber ti lo channel pen ka pere ti wan me roate ke ministers ki come we ko te I wa ko na ma tiene ba joni tiga do ye because it is in the budget and ki tiga ti ber ka no pe ngi ki pe ngong we ko ki ti de been sworn in ki tiga ti level do ju ka pe ngi ki pe ngong ma ka biti we ngi we ko ber ka ti eni wan mer la gam ki bot central government otherwise I wa peti yom wan ma talu tela me sub county what it demoralize pende ko be council ma mekwa when it got threatening not to pass our budget the financial year 2026-2027
Paul Ukelo mati kansila adek me to hill village paichos sub county wajeni menam we chung to 12 pingo gamete petika chulu chente man koni noni tie biakli magikati kere mwakali matika tumim
Junyo pe yom walego ni chana ne eni kimin wa pian koko ne eni tie ruate pian tamu pa jomo kene tumu jomo kene pe ka dugu I office jomo kene ku dugu office now jomo don pe ku dugu office luor gi don tie ni chana ne endo boga ke don jomo don tika donya ni bene luor gi futie ni chana ni be don mo wak pe ke mede ke chulo so wano lego ni chana ni ke chul ka pere ti watamu ni no po waro mede ke ti pian ka in ti pe ke chuli ye tian lo kan gino mo mo ka mede ke ti pere for kai nan mo mod budget mo wano team approvals inone honoras wano team ya approvals no channel ni ti weng approves ka gan era no la pe bino
wel chente mau joke dong nyurni kansila chel o mir nong chente milona chel tana bichen o kot Michael la du matila do api walu sub county o wajini lok mamako lokom chul allowance nyo honoria pa kansila man be balu tiki wam
councillors o yan ma watika chiaro ka laying on table budget draft budget councillors go kwa arte maneo ma gi mo ni wai approval pe gi bitimo ka pe ki churu chana gi me honorea mauri pikar mo poli
so matala do on ngoma de titimana
atamo ni anu ni atemo lokwet gi ni umiero yanu ye ki laying on table budget lokka chanda ni konke ko ero don pe buyi pian go eni dam don tiga tumo duma bit ki tiga cher lok ma shwere ien councillors manien jomo kene tiga do council jomo kene pe ka do
endo tiro don dur bolo tela me district me katin kaneno ketma garamo chupo perman mapia ni en me ka chok keme mokom biakli makamatika bienni oramam gulu district teki councillors mia chel ki piera bier wiariom pigament metederom pi sub county apawia chel mate gulu district
aneno ni pere technique jomati tela mapenyi I romme adek mapenyi o mire ki chul chete gi magen guti piene kare magen ke yero gi gen gu wonge bu cha ko tich ma o mire ki fogi petit magen guti donc kapeki foyo gi petit magen guti konyo wan enini ki ngo alego miri matit menano ne ke chulo joni bien jone peti chalo pi meti tich ma peke par pi gi ke chul joni wek ego ben mayom
man yurni wekamento chul councillors man umiro ke ra chente milon miario ke piera biria ben ke chilling ali miariom Ismail Jacob Jones pi Wanlu Television Igulu District
Inge kwano beru la ponye Robert Okot la ponye mao yabo Jakeo Garden Hubs Farm Mati Keyo Trading Center eno cha opune mwaka alibre piru wariyo madeko mkarman ti mwaka dek mayen puru pot dek ti ye mutungulu nyanya cabbage biri nyanya iken maken mapola chaye porne mate ya Muro District Robert wani mono iye pechwe pe wako atkwana pieni karman eno cha opune kichili libmia chile piare karman de ti miliona dek nyedwe dek mati konenri ya mochanda beneti chungniki padma meke ndongolo to tike kermeti uchente labo par pi muchar mano aki jeba pangati mone pianene puru eka chile memutungulu kache pur kin kanya ne ramo kele boten chilling million piara dek ke bene karamo kene kele makaro ene kache itiyu mabeto twale piani mwaka chile pirnya tiana dek matiyu boten chilling makaro million piara bir kulo e mwaka nwoke pur nyane ken mapake podek mokene mayen puru meteno ko enim na jod mamewa man Jonisoni Charajon olemo porpa okot Robert Matikeyo en kele report matut kom lupu matiti ke dian mapat mekela laga ke beneria mochane ke lufu mabejo loyo magiti kamal melo Uganda magudonyo ipiem polupu memwara Ali Bario Piario ya Bichel.
Fu pire tek tutwal ka che ngati mono keru ye keru ne kichunye duchu neno ni onyago nyige wego man kum kane lufu mapol gitika nongo mugoba ifu gi tutwale ifu podek robaro kot fu ne ipito podek tika nyako nyige kono chake ki miri merie mochan kifu en tero bodwa kidma ene chako kwede kany
acharo in a piece of land ma tie 10 by 15 meters kum chena ma chako kwede mangyo ma achako ki kodi nyanya 5 grams obedo safa F1 ma wilo ki kacharo kodi matila chonyo chie ti a wilo kodi nyanya eno obera li piar beru ya beach ya football ki warren kan na lego pa jirani la pek bo beru pe kidong yat trap la chako fu makom chana beru chiling alimia cheli piara rio anto chena mo kando beru an lemon lone human capital tipo beru yot yan ifuru beno gang ti beno mero im ti wa chako matidi ma waramo manisin ti nyanya ne bo karma be
okot en tiyo ki dier ma pat e pieto podek en ka nywako kwedwa wel chente ma eni no ifuru fune
roughly around million ario ki gino mo ti meno bedo only 5 grams uno bene ngej pe tian ma chel mi fu ti nyanya eno ni en yo mina kero ki tek twin mi o level mi fu ma dong na watika nyike mo mo
chen ma dong ino chale mo mugoba ni ifu ni ino chele andi
in summary kawan waribo yan kadi neno ngati poro first season wa kwani kabich ni an luber akario kabich akachiel kangata ngefu ter liba para bij mi wa para biche logo spacing bat kabich ini char kit wiye dene kare watigi mutungulu ko mutungulu la kwa dwa nyanya so logo dwe macham kar ento kirwana ribo fu tila ya rio ma chiel no fodwa pe ka ki irrigation uno ka chieng tie yelewa olo ina ya kadong raj million piara dege no
tich kidi robot la fu te gen ma pere tek malu fu mier go kwany meno kare duchu okot nyutiwa kit me pieto ko di podek pod lu fu
nyanya okay we wakete na sari bed kene yubo na sari bed mistake ma wan lu fu ju atemo wa yubo na sari bed tin wa cho ko ri wa tin eni chek me fu pebe an gerati lu chek me fu ento fu an pa kwano kere winya wachini abera lu chek ke winya war me fu na sari bed kene yubo bedini du bedo mita chiel ki bor dong lu chaji porni at least we got kadong irona we got obed olo nena der ka peru na twal wa bet tabera chiel wan kirwa gwa kwede nyanya wa maximum teru neno piru chiel mutungulu ena yetero tabera bichiel ka bij ben botwa teru nena di tabera der das neno piru chiel bile nyanya ben wan mo teru wa neno marom
en tiyu ki sola meki ropi iporone manu jiu kerne chalwe la fu bien wele yot loyo wel generator manu marmo matega tira dok en tie ka fonyo lo tiana mo kene chalo bulu ikit me pieto podde kanya tiki Rolex nyego en bene tila piet podde kon tiyu ki sola
kodi mar per podde mutungulu pot pa pero mar pero nyanya mar pero cabbage
tamango made miyo tutwale bodluak megwa ko kabir marumo wa kita ni tiyu ki sola megwa ko kabir marumo wa
tama bot un winya
lu fulu
nyo lu fulu wele wa moti wa kunu wa maro tij ki sola pien wele petak in tam ni pebe kwanyu chene mo yonge wel manyen ano generator ka ini welo no wel foti ka mede pien mir wel mo ke keteni permoti ye umior ge tem service ge gon ge yak in chul ngar bo bion ka yoboneni eno sola ke inde wele tiyo ge chiel ikobo giri ka cheng tie permope no in mere ge tich
ki diro ifuni romo yapo wai wero ino chente madit dok pito podet ye kariemo chan ite dero ikinu fuma pol matie ya choli ka chel ki lao piwan luo TV Jonisani chaga chon Iamoro district.
Majala wa ya chel mayu bepi ya nyimeti chingeti yako kwani lobo Uganda kani iti wachuilo tino kwani makiti university kwani mken Roma malo mechi yako keroti ngedi makiti kwerini wekdongo teme kumtiti weke chak neno kachati chatine weko bedigin moma tima uroto luoma no berbolo tino kwani makiti kwani Gulu University kilo tino kwani mken Roma malo makiti kwani gai kwani Roma malo Ikulu City David Opiero matingat madoro man chachi Court Hotel Gulu wani mono pete akatam Gulu tio kwan kare weko ngengo ma tima ngete ko kwan piani chuk menangotit tie kilo pima pola tai David Magere okeli bokelo watin report ma eno bero doge ilo komyobe pechuk menangotit ilo Uganda ingete ko kwan Roma malo
Tute menene lotino kwan magitika kwan ma poli kom kare man kono gen guno genatema ingeti ko kwan ma megi man kono wok ki miyo tamma kweri mo weho itute menene gi iluker pa lotino kwan university kono inoni gi mini gi diro menene gen gi chako tiu nyo kero gen magi kwan itich machalo yu achiel me yub kakagi chien ka gen gi tiro kwan luo man kono time chiangweni kar menyo ako tam ki lotino Gulu University ki lotino mo ken magi kwan ruam kwan mamalo kon neno no tie menene gen tolo bergi neno pichako tich ni wok ke der magen giti ka kwane kom karman non university kom karman fonyo dano roma papar machalo daktari ju engineer joma ki kwano belu pirida joma kwano to logangea kitme dor dane kinje mukene eno polkare non lo teno kwan makaro alibat rio kati woko mwaka kon wel madong dit loyo beru makere university mwaka kwan mutumi ken ku kati kilo teno maroma aliba bungwen magen ku kwere ento permiti Uganda David Opeto matingat madoro nyo managing director Pachachil Court Hotel Gulu City kono onyo otam mopore ki jo man kono tergene pia tekno mergen gunen teach makaro teach magino no keken.
If you graduate from a university and walk out, there's a possibility that you're not going to get the job straight on. As we have taken some examples here from the role models in the name of Ojok Moses and others, you need to be doing something to keep that knowledge vibrant. Because now if you don't practice, there's a possibility that some piece of this knowledge is going to expire. Now when you get to the job market, we need the knowledge intact.
Inoni Susan Liberty Matela ten kwan me Gulu University kono terni e jo luo mando ka chao ker der ma ene miro menene oluto kariti kwan ka tich buno ngeno ene chao giratima chalo biashara
eli me chero ka volunteer yera me tiwe ko yera me tich employees onyo me tich no ma party moro ayegi mai ro no ne chalo wengo opportunities another Kimukena MFTN, Jomano Kuchubu Kwan graduates, we call them graduates, our fresh graduates and those who have graduated years after. Community, Kai Kwan, teach Wao no one pay you.
No, Pedro Beno, why you mero per tactual, no Mergen go il Kergi, Dogung get be a charango, man walk key for your nation.
So to count it all, we should be driving at the job description which is required of you by the employer. Is how best you should prepare to go and front the panel of the interviewers. If you're short of that, I'm afraid that you're most likely going to miss the chance to be employed.
Lorange kom chat ki will Iwan Luo TV David Magere.
You're also not left out behind. For those who do not want to put on a suit and a tie and apply.
Meno bedo lokmo akibot David Magere. kawadire toro ya chake mechabir mano chao kelo watin ne dano ma ono kony ingen nango pere kar menyual ma ono yoke kateke komen man Harriet Amoding dano me tororo inge ake gango meke dok pene kriamo en woko pilo kompere mo ano tikwere eno chero oyat kapil woro yeo tien makara dek eno liyoke oyat kadang da chena Amoding no kony kibo dul me tere wode makomi aboten kony me yeo de karman ti kwa ma yote kindani nge changi kompere me fistula mapol kar mako mone kar menyual ma weko peko birutie lokom yoke madit onyo bene mokene matien mano pegero mo gengone piane bu no tie mo bale woro weko mer ku non kony kadwe ku chak neno aloka la jod mamewa maiko nye kele dindong dule magiki ikom makwo Amoding ki fistula pero ma eno ikar menyual wanendong buri magiki ne tini iyup meloka ngemo jin
Harriet Amoding yonge beno ipekini atot amakere karachel kede kopikom tuome achwilili arbo fistula dio yange tien are tien ma dek mere bin eko dagi die eko lui idwali wrong.
That I stayed like for 1 month in the hospital with that condition. When I stayed in that 1 month in that with that condition, then again they wanted to return me back for the 3rd time for repair. I told them no. I refused. I told the doctor, please, where it has reached, people, return me back home. Let me go back home. If to die, let me die home. But I'm not going back where? Straight again. Doctor came when he's ready to take me inside. I don't know where even God gave me the strength of getting up. I could not get up by that time. But I got up, I got energy. Then I stood up. I said, no, I will not go in theater. I escaped on the bed. When they were now discussing out there, I was now crying, seriously. I told my daddy, you people, if you return me back that, I think that is the end of my life. I will not come back again. Those people started talking with the doctor. Makio, I was still having catheter. They put catheter, but the urine could what? Pass aside. It could not enter where? Inside. The urine was just passing, flowing aside with the pass. So I begged the doctor, please, people, remove this catheter. There's no even use of this catheter. All the urine is pouring on the bed. They refuse. Then again I stayed like 1 week. Now, if reaching extent, some nurse was telling me, you people, drugs have already gone to that lady. Please release that lady first to go and rest home. So that what? Should gain. And then also get again surgery. Another 3rd surgery.
Ichen mere di the dog pacho bin okomine ngej dio wachone be tie dwel romoro atie soroti ameda konyo timo amuket me ekodi tuoni.
Now reaching extent, when you go in the toilet, you make an alarm. You want to, people wants to come, but we could not what? Come out. The sister to the wife was this side in Terewode. Then my uncle came to visit me. He told me, Harriet, you are going to be okay. There is the sister to my what? My wife. It is in Terewode. There's a hospital called Terewode there in Soroti. Then she directed us the hospital, where the hospital located. Then we reached, they told me to board. I board up to here, up to Terewode Women's Hospital. When I reached here, they welcomed me. They start counseling me that where you have reached, it is the right place. You are going to be okay. Then when I stayed here like for 2 weeks. Then they worked on me. When they worked on me, I became okay. I went back when I'm very happy, and they were excited to see me the way I am. So also, if I go back home, I advise those ones who are having fistula home there. Sometimes I go to spread this problem in churches where I go there too. I did the interview, then as per now, I'm working as a caretaker. I thank Terewode, long live Terewode. Bless Terewode.
Da teteni binda eko tunokan dido eko wudo amuket nakada eko chango. Amuding nan kuo dieli karachel keda wuris elida dokon karachel keda tin do epoyo be bin amuket bin okotimeri ben. Jotel me duel roni wachu be gin kitie ki hikere me konyo mon ameda bedo kede peko me kopikom fistula arabo tuo me achwelele.
I'm Dr. Mary Awono, and I'm the medical director of Terewode Women's Community Hospital. So currently we get our patients from all over Uganda. That's why even when we're in the ward, you see we had to speak a bit of every language. Social gatherings, because society is not kind. If they are getting a smell of urine, they are going to say something is smelling, and then they start abusing, sometimes saying, you don't know how to take care of yourself, you're smelling urine, you're a big woman, not knowing that this is a complication of childbirth. Of these complications like fistula can occur. For those already suffering with fistula, I want all of us to be ambassadors. Let it be known out there that it is a condition that is a complication of childbirth, but there is treatment, there is cure, at least for most of the cases. So instead of shunning these people away, let us reach out to those people in our societies who are actually suffering from fistulas.
Michael Onyinge, P1 TV, Isuroti sitting.
Kawawero kameno wacheri ya Rua City Gankal Mekop Melobo Uganda otiro ya podong jang office pa makilون immigration man kaber mecho enywali wekinong passport kin warga mo ken panywali Uganda magamero cher wakjo mo ken maake warme bini lobo Uganda mano lobo chek medonyo ilobo moni ikarme yapo office man ki ya Rua City lawo changwen Beatrice Lagada matie board chairman padulma National Citizenship and Immigration Control man NCIC wani mon pia tekne mon gen maket mano betie choke dan me West Nile weko non coin mati choke gen man mano akibod government melo Uganda megula gara oberte yub man meka wanga minister pila komkop mapajo man retired Major General Kahindo Tafire mabene yub mano chaka chon tutual Dr. Yomachwin dan magiti West Nile inengo office pa immigration man menengo passport iken warga moken mapigi tego mebedo onyo karo kilo Uganda Robert Ariaka oberche yapo office man gero madit yub moti melawo changwen ki Rua City.
It is indeed my pleasure to convey this plate on behalf of the Minister of Internal Affairs and to thank the people
and there we
who did this USPC that gave us this beautiful building. Well done. We are grateful.
Mego Lagada wani mono tero yub makin man chok ke bod dano tinye mon gamente par pedano nakmenti keto luere matek pedano magiti West Nile higena bena ya po office me miyo passport matie dong choke kingang kedano magiti area moni.
As the board, we shall continue doing everything possible to ensure that the Citizenship and Immigration Control give the best services they can to the citizens.
Man oberugin magamente no cheke pere mwara mapol mokarangech madong kitimo West Nile tikin kaberu madong chake la wo ichi angwene odaro kaberu magamente par pere owe ochwalo office makite no malupi kilok pa Mego Lagada. Endong beno katika lagani mono dano kilotela ko wek wo loko maber katima tata omiyo kimika arkdan menongo passport me ket mamiyo go non kwere laboro yelwet lok me kenyo chamchana wek po bal office makit man.
You have had testimony today. We can give a passport in one day. You can get it. Gone are the days when you would apply and you are there forever and ever and going to see so and then another person is lining out behind there and blocks the road, hijacking you as you are trying to access the offices. Then you pay money to the wrong people. Then they give you fake things. You go to another country, you are arrested there. Those days are no more. We are on a different chapter and we pledge to continue giving the best.
Eno wani mono West Nile tiyo tene ki South Sudan ki DR Congo oweko pira tekne mono wango bed biet pena nyuoli moken mapol bakiti bion ka chawani gina nyuoli Uganda ento kun pekiti anyuoli umiar kuchawani yo ma opore ka wek gunong waraga mano chiki ye kigen. Moses Murari matie Acting Commissioner Citizenship and Passport Management oparo matek dano ma yarua pe miyo kar ma oromo kiben kar matimo kwemot kigamente mitim tich pilwak mageti area mameke kibene dano pitich ki office ma Kitman mapire tek tutwalem.
The purpose of today is to call upon the people of Arua to use the facility and services that we have availed.
Martin Sekaja lawang board manito Uganda Security Printing Company matiki tuwe Romero do passport Uganda kongitiyo kidul men National Citizenship and Immigration Control owani mono enobiro chadeni mono tika time chok dan mekin gang yup kigoy mo por kitiyo kachel dok bene war timatek ikin gamente kidano may West Nile.
Also, we are here for the passports now. So we also offer passport services to NCIC and other government security services, including certificates and the like. Our collaboration with NCIC is a testament of very close working together. It has a lot to do with strategic planning. It has a lot to do with implementation. It has a lot to do with collaboration, teamwork, mutual respect, and commitment to have results.
Ikar manu benefit pia ke yabo office mana tiela uone dungete miyo passport padano mia deki Pierre Beach enki office men take dwe mia chel me mwagani ini niyo kwere la uone. Wanko Melsia Beach me Arua Alfredo Konzio Paramatak Gamente Pipo Pedan me West Elmano Poleo Merga Aki Arua Mechero Kampala Onyon me Aki Arua Mechero Wagulu Kayubu passport ni.
Yes, this is a big relief for the people in this region and Arua, this West Nile region in particular. You've saved us time. You've saved us energy. You've saved us night accommodation. You've saved us from lining at the ministry in terms of waiting for passports to be issued. You've saved us from accidents. You've saved us from this long stretch, which I always describe as first-class massaging road in this country. It's a big service above self that you've rendered to us.
Office pa immigration mati ya Arua ni tiye koni i Arua airfield mati bo ping me kilomita rio ni ya kono ki disiti me Arua dokti gudimaki Arua mechero ikoboko. Pe wanluo television yub melokange mocho inki Arua City Robert Ariaka. Kawawero kumala melobo Uganda la konkola lok papati makluoni mon National Unity Platform man Alex Waisa wa mufumbiro tin pege miwaten kare mekaro ki odbuj ka pier ka yiko dako na Edith Katende maoto kituo kansa ye dek mecha bidni eni ikarme miyongono meki kot pa magistrate mati kanyanyai kawembe division langol kop ma ber ka winyo lok man ma en opinyo pia gony me bail langol kop man chief magistrate Doreen Aine Mbabazi owani mano pier peteki en mechero woka yiko dagane pien balmati winyo ko biek ma balmati wieni obedo biek ma di dokache kimi waten karme karwo waiswa romo amano pedong dok nyim kot kelo pero bot gamente melo Uganda onen kong report ni kor ke kor pe in iyup melo nge mochwin. Egara matika miyongol mameke Mrs. Aine Mbabazi owani mono mufumbiro tike mkiko matek matiwie makacheke mogonu timo bale ni twero beru ke buj pi mwaka pa. Eno wani mono pia ni mono pod makimiyo pe balmanti mateko twale kot no ni mono tikare makere makagimiyo kingan makoko tiko meromo rinyo pe dokchen ne kakeme kingol nyo keme kipiro matiko men kayo weko doko mabuj mawoko metero kayiko dago mameke. Lang'ol ko beno kwero joma go cher kachung nyim kot pimo fumbiru ma kino bere ye wone ma bere ben lang'ol ko machone Uganda Moses Baligeya kidong Lord Mayor ma kayer nyen me Kampala Engineer Ronald Balimwezo Nsubuga. Kot bene go wini mono kwedi kom koro mando tiro tumwa ka bene ke lopiru pagamente giti atera machako winyo piru mano yorio tutwal oweki nene kimiyo ng'ol marwate kimufumbiro. Malupu kikoro matiu ye anti kemi kikoro ni mono eno berka orlo chwak nub metimo bal metimo kono bene tim gero ikom lugwa kuch. La pile da pa mufumbiro Samuel Moizi Mulindwa oware bolo cholo ang'eni mono enuro yung daga mameke mauto wako dogno timi ni kimi boten kare weke yek daga na ke dog chene pien mono bero kwaj pamin ode e kare mono dong choka to.
So it is justice hidden, justice denied in a kangaroo way. It is not by the rule of law, by the rule of directions, political directions, which we believe are instructions to this court. So we shall not waste much more time. They have denied him the permission to bury his wife. Let's go and represent him in this burial. Okay.
Teme pa mufumbiro menongo kar me ber mabud mawoko tien mapol ben kikwerwa kilok ni mon kache kigono en chut ono twero balwa kwed matika wora nyim kadok bene karam ken gibera we joma en tero me chung pien nyim koti pegi twero chung piere we kiyene obet mabuj mawoko. Enindwe piera dek me jemia pae mwaka maukati kimoro koro me eni mono timo bal me oto dane lokom tim gero maperwate ki section piru wachele e bure machele me Penal Code Act. Gin wani mono balman we otime kina nindwe ang'wen me jemia bong'weni mwaka man ki Kampala City makitimo bal kina mokene beno bero koro kiben jim moken mapol magebero luo bero tie metimo bal mokene wamine kolo mokat kibolo chwak party National Unity Platform. Pilo ang'e mochwiny e Wanluo Television Ania Sande Yakumo. Kawakano wogo i Djibouti bolo kuyo chake maliet pe yero la telo mokene kuntika pim kingat madong tiko mikarman Ismail Omar Gwele mamero dokche ne kompitene me abichel me bedo president me Djibouti malo mapira takral matitung lobo del chol man e Africa. Gwele mwane piara biru ya boro tika pim ingat mo makiwaini mwana pichunati magor chol man Mohamed Farah Samata la chiungete party makilwani mono Unified Democratic Center abene peke la chuma ken yot moko chik en melobo Djibouti onen lokombolo kwe mayara telo manyen i Djibouti pe in kombeti Wanluo Television. Gwele ubela tela lobo me Djibouti mateke dana makar milion achiel mgiwiye manaka kene pimo apiero ya biro dokti mateko twal penti area mapol dano maro teriye kabene pol tokedeng mapol dano rwatiye kuno tika ben mapiere tek pe dano ma aki woko mebino i Afrika. Djibouti te lache tie square kilometer ali peru wadeke keni doka edwore square mile no tie alibabor kimia bongwen te kabero padul mon madon wilobo ikine tie pa France lobo America China Japan ki Italy dok ben tike kera matake lokom limbe bero kachel kilokom chui bibie. En konguyati imono wen be wako chui mwaka ini ento kitloka pentik me lobo meno de mapau ya chel makwane wo dit me mwaka me chung pa president yaki piara biru ya beach oweko omiye waten kare me chung lobo ayela mokiken. Wello bol kui make bolo tinti ambicho berno ke wang cha bima bichel ma chakine ika bolo kui mapol malo choj kulimo tutwale biya kitini mono ka bolo bolo kui mo kene pasenta para biche ken padan mage bolo kui kuno aye kutero ka bolo kui tini do bol kui me Djibouti te weldan mapekaro alip mia rio piara bichu ya bichel maki bolo kui ikin me yero gwele ki Mohamed Farah Samata latela padul me Unified Democratic Center CDU party mapeki tikila chuma ken iyot moko chek melo mamekim. Kite guak mamalo ikombe beru gwele makono yue kinyingna ni IOG ni obolo kuine ken kacha obichel i City Hall owar kachel gen kidagone Samata kabolo kui maoti metini. Inge bolo kuine eno waini mono tike geni mono kachero bao ye ebi du chen yot emebero president pieni ya gikne locho bobero tungbot en. Bolo kui kilor wako chawa power yo motino kadong bene kwana ne kiyara dukene obutime chochote pe oburito twal en inge geko bolo kui chawa power yoni. Gwele okero chale mapol mati boma dit me Djibouti kibeno dan mapol nugetiki chwake komen kaipor kisa mata malubol kuine nakotwal kabene chwako no peti kome mapol tutwale. Ichal makinyoro television pagamente me Djibouti nyoni mwani biti kuisa mata dan manokengo beruti ye manyoni mo dan mapol bene pe kigeni kome. Ebolo kuimo time magiki kono imwaga Ali Bario Piariu ya chil boldano wengo kwero bolu kitira dembe chwaga mente kama gwele olo kugi percent makaro piera bongwenu ya biro kolo en kui piero president. En bene pa yao keme kila chume ken matea kekine bene oberi ye karme bolo kuine machil en opiem gen ki Hassan Galod Aptidon e bolo kui e mwaga lebachil miya bongwen ki piera bongwen miya bongwen. En onokichieme bero ngat mono loy wilu tich man chief of staff pa Abditon. Emwaga Ali Bario Kiabich gwelo dok chene komenu muleme la bonla piem kwere pe beru president melobo Djibouti. Pelo gange mo chwinye e wanlu television ania sandi yakemo. Ilokom tuguru lochme pabo United Women FC guturo moko ni kediru wakanyo ka woro turo mamiono betikin pabo Women United kidong Bull Women FC mano merote maitum chabit eni mani chia bichel nindwa pau ya chel midumia ngwani mwakamani kiba pabo United mati Gulu High School Gulu City Edward Dotira mati president pa eni club mati pabo ni wengine kichwala kwa board fufa pia ni korogo berutie wakediru turo dobo timi ni dipirwa beach midumia ngwani mwakamani would go to en Kibul Women FC David Magere tie kiloken matut.
Pieni turu palotino kwan senior magiluoni Uganda Secondary Schools Sports Association Ball Games tika waranyim ivut Uganda mapapat kono. Teams magituru irwam turu me FUFA Women Allied League. Kuti rochwalo koroge bodul maldor lokme turu dili lob Uganda Man Federation of Uganda Football Association UNIFUFA. Wek geni kin team mukene kong gewek turu ge dia nyim. Mano weko team mepa bo United Women Football Club kachiel ki team mukene. Kuti ro lego pedir turu mo weko turu kachiel ki turu mano mergen ko make ki Bull Women Football Club kon meko nyame Uganda dong pe oboteme tumcha bedman kon tourmano mero berichi ambe chelmeni ndapa we achel ke ba Papa Boy United Women Football Club mati Gulu High School mati Gulu City. Edward Utira mati president me Papa Boy United Women Football Club kono mo ke wanlo TV idi cheng mecheng ngwen man ni mena dada korge tiro jole dore tourmano ge dirwo ko ma boteme weninde pieri wa beach me de mangwen magaman ke ba megini eno terni mano bino malope ke permo por komge kar magen ke chero make ke Uganda Christian University Lady Canos man tourmo teme tumja ben mokaro kama no gen ge wor gilu tourma no da ma politi second 11 ge third 11 pian polu tourge ma bejo etilo tino kwano dongo chero wo tour dilo me USSSA matika time ki kitgum municipal kom karman ti qauter ni meno fufa ti rojolo luoge do yeni tourmen donge bi tour la tien donc men petit time body ken and team ben machalo Bull Women FC manu merge make kwet gini ben gen go ye ne dong tour meno bella chien lok ben tien team mukene mauno gen getie ki lu touruge i vu tour ma papa matika time USSSA kono machalo Lera City Queens kin mukene bene Amus College ono gen ge mere bene touruge di woro man nyurni tour matika bini tumcha bet man kono pol teams makitigi lu touruge i USSA New Secondary Schools kono pege beri kar me tour piano foot go duga dua ki piem meno matika time vutka ber ma papa ino e fixa matika bini tumcha bet man kono mani chiambe chiel pa Boy United numero make ki Bull Women Football Club kedong Lera City Queens numero make ka chiel ke Uganda Christian University Lady Canos maturo meno dong tour meno pe oboteme pepa bo ke bene biaktila mal ni meno tour pa Lera City Queens ka chiel ke Uganda Christian University bene pe oboteme meno wero mi kar gelu tour dok tour meno be do chien iniende piariwa beach medwe man lorange kom tour wan luo TV David Magere i Gulu City.
Kadong metu hene la ponto o pamon metin cranes mando tena nyera magituro dilo pelo Uganda. Cheryl Yolanda Boat otero yalo nyilo turo mako buchung pelo Uganda. Ituro me World Cup under 17. Eno yalo turo pilo wadek ma buchung pelo Uganda turo ma buti meching jabit nendwe apau ya Rio midjami angwen man itum jabit ene kitma Anthony Papira kilikwede kipere tere dujo.
Dulto pa Uganda man paletina nyer mo wa pe karapawi ya bero ubere ka yupe ki fufa technical ground mi chero ka tuko African Cup of Nations qualifier ilobo Zimbabwe. Coach pa Uganda pamon manye Cyril Botez en o yegolutina nyer maramo piare wi adekulu mi chero ka tuko man matika binu ninda pario midwe mangwen mo halibario ki piro bicheli chencha bet en ki ilobo Zimbabwe kunu. Litina nyera mage yegoge micher ka chung pe Uganda ena ye goalkeeper manye Adam Mayimuna kadong wadneno na Mario tie Sharifa na Mutebi ena goalkeeper Zario mabichung pe Uganda ituruman. Ikin defenders mage yegoge ena Martha Babirie, Rita Anita Nambusi, Jovia Nakiria, Angel Gerevans Dominic, Fiona Arach, Atiero Nimungu kadong ikin midfielders mage yerogi ene Grace Tahia Nantega, Tracy Nabalenzi, Lydia Namereko, Brenda Nasaka kado ikin jo mobu yinyu kidmi Morogolo ene Terry Mora maaki Ikoma Secondary School. Shadia Nambire en aki Kawempe Muslim Ladies Football Club kadong Joan Namakula ene jo mobu yinyu kidmi Motodilu timpa Uganda. Dul turuma chiel tika bino roe nenda pa Rio maniching chabit en ki boma madit mi arare ilobo Zimbabwe I ba madit magiluoni ngoni stadium. Kadong dul turuma Rio biduguchen ifufa stadium kadiba maturuman bitime ki Uganda kany. Coach pa Uganda kono eno waini ngeo piter patlobo Zimbabwe ka udigi turuman mi qualifier ento gen giber ka yope pichabet choka dek kulu nyurni yope magi yope ni gen gibi yele mater minene Rizal ubino mabe in favor of Uganda. Team mi Uganda kono a tino diku kwa ping parakana michero eni lobo Zambia minene gibera tera mituruman matika bino ichenchabeti. Anthony Papira P1 Luo TV.
Lanen One Luo Television oya geke pa yup melorange mo chunyitini chambit ani asande akomo metekene na wa yum kentika bino pe inkanyi e One Luo Television. Wipe bana wile lupo One Luo TV social media watiki Facebook, X, mani Twitter machon, YouTube kidong TikTok weng kenying ni One Luo TV. Apo ito tole yup mukene bino botin kumbeti.